In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one unique way you can make money on the Bybit application. Just by using your Bybit application, you can be making between $50 to $100 every single day just by using this Bybit application. Okay, here is how you can do this. Even if you're a beginner, you can do this thing. Okay, just go to the markets. Even if you're a beginner, you can make money on Bybit. All right, just by you can make money just by buying and selling this cryptocurrency. I'm going to be showing you guys these cryptocurrencies. All right, okay, let's navigate this place. Right, let's click on Doge. Let's click on Dogecoin. As you can see, this Dogecoin has been bullish for a while. I know you will not understand this term because let's say, let's put it this way, that this coin has been rising for a while now. Let me use my arrow. Let me use my arrow to demonstrate what I'm talking about. This coin has been going upward like this for a while now. Okay, it has been going upward like that for a while, and as such, the market has been bullish, right? It has been increasing in price, right? It has done over 9.5% in the past one day. Okay, so what are we going to be doing with this opportunity I'm about to show you right now? All you have to do is head over to this tab, to this area, this place I'm going to circle right here. Just click on this hamburger sign. Just click on this hamburger, and then you head over to this place. All right, now there are a lot of cryptocurrencies here. We have the new cryptocurrencies, we have the trending cryptocurrencies, we have um, a lot favorites, we have sports, we have perpetual features, but our major concentration is under the sport. All right, we are not doing futures, we are not doing contract trading, we are doing sport. Okay, we buy and sell off at once. All right, we buy and sell off at once and make profit. Whatever difference in prices of your buy and sell becomes your profit. Right, all you have to do is head over to, let's go to all right. Now we'll click on each and every of these cryptocurrencies and see if there is a difference in price. All right, for the Bitcoin, for instance, let's use Solana, for instance. I click on Solana. Solana, as you can see, Solana is 181.75. The Solana USDT is 181.75. Okay, so let's click on the Solana USDC, 181.84. Okay, let's click on Solana USDE. All right, let's click on Solana EUR. Solana Euro. Solana Euro is 167. Okay, 19. Are you seeing that? All right, so that is it, guys. You can actually make money from this difference in price. As you can see, this is 167.19 US 19 Solana. Okay, this is 167.19. Okay, for this Solana, 167.19, and under the USDT it is 181.85. Right, okay, so all you have to do is to exchange it. Right, you buy in euro and sell at the other side. So let's click on Solana Euro, and we go to trade, click under trade, and then now you type in the quantity of Solana that you want to purchase. Right, this is the quantity of Solana you want to purchase. Right, you're purchasing, let's say we are purchasing 1 Solana, and we are purchasing 1 Solana at 167.19. Right, 167.19. Let's do the calculation. 167.19. Let me use my calculator. This is my calculator. So let's assume we are using $100 for this trade, and $100 divided by 167 point, right? Let's say 167. Let's leave the decimal, right? Is equal to 0.59, right? Now times 181. Okay, that means for every trade, let's say minus 100. For every trade, you're making a whooping sum of 8.38 USD. And then now imagine, and you can do this in seconds, right? In less than 1 minute, you can finish this transaction. And now you now perform. You can perform as many transactions as possible. Okay, it's just like buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. Okay, and now you now perform 50 transactions in a day. That's a whooping 419 US dollars. At first, in the introduction, I told you guys that you can make between 50 to $100 a day, but you can even make up to $1,000 in a day with this strategy, guys. Let's go back and check for other pairs. This is not just about Solana. This We have other pairs that you can trade like this. Okay, let's check out for the Dogecoin. I think I saw an opportunity like that on the Dogecoin too, right? For the Dogecoin USDT, it is trading at 0.14, right? And then let's go under the euro. The Dogecoin EUR is trading at 0.129. Okay, so let's do the calculation, guys. So let's do the calculation. 100 divided by 0.12, right? 0.129 is equal to 775, right? Now times 0.14, that is about 108.5, guys. So you're getting minimum of $8 per transaction, right? And multiply that, as in every single day you're making a whooping sum of $400, $500, up to $1,000. And if you're even serious and you're doing so many transactions in a day, you're making a lot of money, guys. So that is basically the strategy I'm using to at least make a few bucks myself. See, you can make a lot of money. So guys, let's check another pair. Okay, let's check this XRP USD. This XRP USD, as you can see, is trading at 0.6197. Okay, let's check the USDC. 6198. Let's check the USD. Okay, euro. It does not have USD. The euro, it's trading at 0.5690. Wow, 0.5690. And for the USDT, it was point, okay, 0.6193. 5690 and 6193, right? So let's do the calculation. 100 USD divided by 0.5690, okay, times 0.61. I've forgotten nine something. I've actually forgotten the figure, right? This is about the same figure, right? This is about the same profit, right? So this is how you can be making money, make money from the difference in the prices of these pairs. The difference in the prices of these pairs are always changing every time. Like every time you refresh your page, you get to be seeing them. So I've talked about Dogecoin, I've talked about XRP and also Solana. So guys, these are the few pairs I've just checked. You can go ahead and open your Bybit right now. Use the link in the description of this video and it will take you to Bybit to verify your account and start trading. You can fund minimum of $100 and start trading these pairs. Start exchanging these pairs, okay? So that if you use $10, you might not be seeing much, right, on this trade. But if you use like $100, something reasonable, $50, $100, you'll be able to be making small profits from this. And by the time you repeat process over and over again at every given opportunity you find. If you find an opportunity, you just grab it and trade on it. Okay, be able to make a few bucks for yourself as passive income every single day. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.